Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous session, we have completed the lesson Tarot's Reward. I hope you understood the story of the young woodcutter Tarot. In today's session, we are going to solve the exercise. The first exercise, answer the following questions. The first question is, why did Tarot run in the direction of the stream? Answer is, Tarot ran in the direction of the stream. For the first time, he heard such a sound in the forest. At the same time, he was thirsty. The boy Taro ran in the direction of the stream because he had worked very hard for a long time. He was totally wet with sweat. He needed water to quench his thirst, so he ran in the direction of the sound. For the first time, he heard the sound of flowing water in the forest. So he was curious about the magic waterfall also. Right? This is the answer. Now, second one. How did Taro's father show his happiness after drinking sake? Taro's father was really delighted to after drinking the sake for the first time in his life. His shivering stopped after one sip of the sake. He showed his happiness by doing a little dance in the middle of the floor. The boy Taro had brought delicious sake from the magic waterfall and shared with his father. He gave to his father. The old father had the delicious sake. After having a sip of delicious sake, his shivering stopped. The father felt very comfortable. In the celebration, he danced in the middle of the floor. He danced a little in the middle of the floor. This is the meaning of second answer. Now, third one. Why did the waterfall give Taro sake and others water? The waterfall gave Taro sake because Taro was a thoughtful son who honored and obeyed his parents. He always and worked very hard to give them everything they needed. It gave others only water because they were greedy, jealous, selfish type of people. The magic waterfall treated the people and Taro in different ways, right? The magic waterfall gave Taro delicious sake. For others, it gave just cold water because the people were jealous, greedy, and selfish. But the boy Taro was honest, thoughtful, and hardworking. Moreover, he obeyed his parents. This is the reason, right? Now, next one. Why did the villagers want to drown Taro? Why did the villagers want to drown Taro in the magic waterfall? Right? The greed to get the sake themselves. The villagers reached the waterfall before Taro next day, but the water tasted just plain water, nothing else. So they got angry and thought that he had tricked them by telling that stream gives sake. That is why they wanted to drown Taro. The greed to get the delicious sake themselves. They didn't invite him. He was the one who shared that information. But they didn't invite him. Without his presence, they had gone early to the magic waterfall to get it for themselves. So, the jealousy, the greediness caused them not to get delicious sake. The magic waterfall gave just water, cold water. So they got angry and they thought that they had been tricked by the boy Taro. So they wanted to drown Taro in the stream. Now the last question. Why did the emperor reward Taro? The emperor heard the story of Taro and his villagers and realized how dedicated son Taro was. So he rewarded Taro for as he honored and obeyed his parents. This was done to encourage all the children to honor and obey their parents. The Emperor of Japan heard the story of young woodcutter Taro and the magic waterfall. So he wanted to reward the boy Taro, he rewarded with 20 pieces of gold, and named a beautiful fountain after Taro, because to encourage and obey the to honor and obey the parents. The other children should honor and obey their parents. This is the reason. I hope you understood this. Now mark the right item. This is second one, MCQs. Taro earned very little money because the three options are given here. He didn't work hard enough. The villagers didn't need wood. The price of the wood was very low. The answer is the price of the wood was very low. So he earned very little money. Second one, Taro decided to earn extra money to live a more comfortable life, to buy his old father some sake, to repair the cracks in the hut. The answer is to buy his old father some sake. Right? Now the last one. The neighbor left Taro's hut in the hurry. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she was delighted with the sake. She was astonished to hear Taro's story. Third one, she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Answer is she wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. This is the exercise we discussed in this session. I hope you understood the question answers and MCQs. Write these in the notebook neatly and be ready for the next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.